Good morning, students. I, Shifali from Dips Bloomingdale's. As yesterday we have read the chapter about King Minos who wanted Daedalus and Icarus to make labyrinth for him. After making it successfully, the king forbidden both of them to leave the tower. They got ready to live there and do work for the king. But when many years were passed, Eurycus got irritated, so Daedalus went to the king to ask if he will allow his son to leave. Let's see their conversation. Your Majesty, I beg you to let my son go and live his life. I can stay here and continue my work. Daedalus begged that the king must allow his son to go and live his life. He was ready to stay with the king and continue with the work. But the king denied to send him. What did he say? Eurycus provided the greatest service to the realm. He will take your work forward in the coming years. What did the king say? He said that Eurycus had provided very good services. Greatest means the best one services to the realm. Realm means his kingdom. So he wanted Eurycus to take the work of Daedalus forward in the coming years. Means he didn't allow Eurycus to go. Narration. The look of utter despair on his son's face broke Daedalus' heart. कि जब उसने आकर अपने बेटे को ये बात बताई तो उसका बेटा बहुत ज़्यादा दुखी हो गया था. अटर मीन्स वेरी मच, डिस्पेयर मीन्स होपलेसनेस, कि उसको अब कोई उम्मीद नहीं रही थी. उसने क्या बोला उसको आके? आई एम सॉरी माई सन, द किंग डिडंट एग्री, कि मुझे माफ़ कर दो, मैंने अपनी बात राजा के आगे रखी थी पर उसने मेरी बात नहीं मानी. How I envy those birds, for they have wings and they are be able to fly away from this wretched cliff. What did Eurycus say? That I feel jealous from the birds. Why? Because they are having wings as well as they can fly away from the cliff, unlucky cliff in which he was imprisoned by the king. Narration. Daedalus vowed that he would do everything in his power to make his son happy again. तो जो Daedalus था उसने ये प्रतिज्ञा ली. What did he say? That he will do anything whatever he can to make his son happy. Well, then we would start working on our wings so we can be off with the other birds. तो उसके दिमाग में क्या चीज़ आई कि हम लोग भी विंग्स बनाना शुरू करेंगे. वाई? सो दैट दे कैन ऑल्सो फ्लाई लाइक अदर बर्ड्स. नरेशन. आफ्टर अ फ्यू वीक्स Daedalus made wings for both of them. That Daedalus was succeeded to make wings for both of them. That's great. Now I can fly high in the sky. जब बन गए तो उसने क्या बोला कि मैं इससे बहुत ऊंचा उड़ सकूंगा स्काई में. क्यों उड़ पाएगा? बिकॉज what did Daedalus say? आई हैव यूज्ड विक्स टू अटैच द फैदर्स ऑन द विंग्स, कि जो विंग्स बनाए थे उसके ऊपर मैंने पंख भी लगा दिए हैं। तो उसको लगा कि अगर पंख लग गए हैं तो मैं और भी ऊंचा जा पाऊँगा। बट ही वार्नड हिज सन। व्हाट डिड ही से? सन, you must be cautious when you fly. If you fly too close to the sun, the wax will melt and you will lose your wings. Follow my path closely and you will be fine. उसने क्या वार्निंग दी? That be cautious while you are flying. Don't go too near the sun. As we know, sun is a source of heat. If he will go to the sun, then the wax will melt and he will lose his wings. So he advised his son to follow his path and he will be fine. Daedalus and Eurycus jumped off the tower. Their wings caught the wind and they soared above the ocean. कि after having wings they jumped off the tower. Their wings caught the wind. हवा से वो और ऊंचे उड़ गए और वो समुद्र के ऊपर उड़ने लगे. Careful, Eurycus, stop. Not so high. The wax will melt if it gets too warm. Stop. He again warned his son to stop and not to go so high. As we know, there is sun in the sky, and if he will go so high in the sky, then his wax will melt and it will get warm and he will lose his feathers. Careful, Bach. The birds aren't careful. They are happy. They are free. I am free. He was so happy after getting the wings that he didn't cared about the warning his father was giving. What did he say? The birds aren't careful. कि जो पक्षी हैं वो केयरफुल नहीं होते, वो खुश होते हैं क्योंकि वो आज़ाद होते हैं. मैं भी अब आज़ाद हूँ. As he flew higher, he began to feel the wax dripping down his arms. जैसे जैसे उसने ऊपर उड़ना शुरू किया तो उसे जो वार्म वैक्स है वो गिरती हुई अपनी बाजू पर गिरती हुई महसूस हुई. क्यों? क्योंकि वो सन के पास जा रहा था जिससे वो वैक्स मेल्ट होकर उसके ऊपर गिर रही थी. रिमेंबरिंग हिज फादर्स वार्निंग, इरुकस रियलाइज हिज मिस्टेक. तभी उसे अपने फादर की वार्निंग याद आई और उसे अपनी गलती का एहसास हुआ. ओह नो, आई हैव कम टू हाई. कि मैं बहुत ऊंचा आ गया हूँ. ऑल माई फेदर्स आर फॉलिंग. कि मेरे जो पंख हैं वो नीचे गिर रहे हैं. इरुकस क्रैश्ड एंड हिट द वाटर. वो नीचे गिरा और पानी में गिर गया. डिडगस ट्राई टू लुक फॉर हिज सन. उसने अपने बेटे को ढूंढने की कोशिश की. बट ही ओनली फाउंड अ फ्यू फैदर्स फ्लोटिंग ऑन द वेव्स. लेकिन उसे अपना बेटा नहीं मिला बल्कि कुछ फैदर्स ही नज़र आए जो समुद्र की लहरों के ऊपर तैर रहे थे. What does it means? What we have learned from the chapter, that we should learn, listen to our elders. I hope the chapter is clear to you all. We'll meet you tomorrow with its question answers. Till then, take care. Have a nice day.